Haad Rin Beach is one of the most famous beaches on Koh Phangan, known for its stunning white sands and crystal clear waters. Haad Rin is located on the southernmost part of Koh Phangan, just 11 kilometers from Tong Sala Pier, the main hub on the island. A vibrant peninsula renowned for hosting the monthly full moon party attracts thousands of visitors from around the world each month for a night of music, dancing, and celebration under the moonlight. The beach area features fine white sand and stretches over a kilometer long, offering plenty of space to relax. While it may not be the best spot for snorkeling, the inviting waters are perfect for swimming. The primary party beach is Haad Rin Nok, or Sunrise Beach, while the western side features Haad Rin Nai, Sunset Beach. We drove 20 minutes on our motorbike from our accommodation island view hotel to Haad Rin village. When we strolled the walkway down to the beach, this large vodka bottle made from slippers caught our attention. It was a powerful piece of art in red, white, black and gold that attracted everyone passing by. Haad Rin is also accessible by a 30-minute taxi ride, Songtao, from Tong Sala Pier. We passed some restaurants and bars on both sides of the narrow brick-made gangway down to the beach. The beach was a lovely sight with a view from crystal clear green, turquoise to deep blue, and with a sign saying "I love Koh Phangan" between two thick logs out in the water. Haad Rin is known for its bustling, energetic, and party-centric vibe, but it offers a more relaxed, laid-back atmosphere during the day. I noticed this girl sitting in a yoga position, just meditating and watching the colorful sea. Here in the shade under some palm trees, we hung up our private hammocks and spent a lovely day at this famous beach. Everybody seemed to chill out and simply enjoy beach life. I was a bit curious and wanted to take a better look at the surroundings and made a short walk up the nearest stairway and down again to the bar area at Haad Rin. The guys at the watercraft rental had a less busy day at work, with very few customers. We visited this beach a few days after the full moon party, and the whole place seemed to have a rather laid-back vibe today. Most of the party visitors had already left the island. Oh, hello there, you're not allowed to stare too long at this. This Russian girl had found a new good friend in one of the stray dogs of Haad Rin Beach. Back at Tong Sala Pier, lots of young participants of the last full moon party entered the ferries going to another island like Koh Samui or to the mainland at Chumpong or Sudotani province.